Hello, today I will tell you about the food and the nutrients. So let's begin. So there are two sources of food. One is plants and another is animal. We get from animal milk, egg and etc. And we get from plants ladyfinger vegetables. Okay, so there are two, consumer and producer. There are the comparison of producer and consumer. So let's start. What is the meaning of producer? Producer is a person or a plant. We say plant. Who make it own food by their own. They make their food by their own. They not depends on others. They make their food from the process of photosynthesis. They uses air, sunlight, soil, water, etc. Okay, and what are consumers? Consumers are those we say animals who can't make their food by their own. They depends on others. Okay, so now food. We need food in a good quantity. Balanced diet. Balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet, a diet which contain all the essential nutrients. There are 5 types of nutrients. I will tell you. Okay. So what we have completed that. What is a balanced diet? Balanced diet that include all the nutrients in the diet and with a good amount of fiber and a roughage in a good amount of and also water, because water is also essential for life. So there are 5 types of nutrients. We need nutrient. Our body need nutrient for the proper growth, for the proper functioning of the body. So the 5 nutrients are: one is protein, vitamins, and fat, carbohydrates, and one is minerals. Yes, minerals. So protein. We say protein is also bodybuilding food. We see that the bodybuilders are only eat protein rich foods like soybean, egg, meat, fish, etc. Okay. So the richest source of the protein is soybean. It is veg, so we can eat that. And how to find that a food contain a protein? So we will take a solution of copper sulfate solution and a powder of any food. We can make a paste or a powder, and then we can add 10 drop of cosmetic soda. If its color change into the violet color, so we say this food contain protein. Okay. Carbohydrate give us energy, give us a instant energy. Okay, carbohydrate. So how to find the any food that contain carbohydrates? So we will take the solution of iodine solution or salted solution, and then add the food item or pour it in any drop, and then pour it drops, and if its color change into bluish black, so it means that a food contain carbohydrates. Fat is also give us a instant energy. Okay, so the fat, for example, we get fat from cheese. Okay, so how to find any food item that contain fat? It is very simple method. So what we will do, we will take a paper, a butter paper or another paper, a simple paper, and take the food and place on it. And take the food and see if paper is changed in wet, like wet, we are feeling wet on the paper, so it means the food contains fat. For example, a samosa snack, it is fully of oil, so we placed on it, and if color changes wet. Okay, so now vitamins are needed in our body in a very small quantity because they not give us any instant energy. They only give us they help our body to do various functioning, the proper functioning of our body. There are many vitamins. So I will talk about one is vitamin A. Vitamin A we got from carrot, milk, cod liver oil. Okay, so if the deficiency, if any, what is the deficiency diseases? What is deficiency diseases? Deficiency diseases, or we say lack diseases, the diseases that happen due to the lack of vitamins in our body, we say, or a nutrient in our body. So we say it is a deficiency disease. What is the name of the deficiency diseases of the vitamin A? It is night blindness. The symptoms: we can't see, the poor vision of eyesight in darkness, in we say in night. Okay, vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex we get from egg, milk, and etc. And vitamin C. Vitamin C is help our body in fighting infections, and the name of the deficiency disease is scurvy. Okay, so if I got any pain, or I fall on the ground, so it will take a long time to heal down. So we say it has the symptoms of scurvy. The sources of the scurvy is not scurvy. Sources of vitamin C. The sore things like lemon, orange, sweet lime. Okay. Now, vitamin D, the deficiency, in the name of the deficiency disease of vitamin D is rickets. Vitamin D help our body in to become our bones. Our bones become very strong if we take a good amount of vitamin D. So the sources of the vitamin D is milk, cod liver, etc. Now minerals. Minerals also help our body to do some processes. Okay, so the sources of, there are many type of minerals: iron, phosphorus. Okay, iron help in the formation of hemoglobin, and the sources of iron is green leafy vegetable. Iodine also. Iodine is a mineral, not the source of the iron. Okay, so iodine. If the name of the deficiency disease of iodine is goitry, the swelling in the neck region. Okay, and the sources of the iodine is salt, iodized salt, or the coastal areas vegetable that are grown in coastal areas. Okay, so now what is we say pyramid, food pyramid as an diagram of a pyramid which help us to select the food item. It also help us to make our balanced diet. Okay, so thank you.